Hi everybody, welcome to this new video in the IECHost series. Today we will have a look at another one of the preservation features I'm working at. First thing, let's have a look at the contents of this disk. So it's a just formatted disk, there's nothing on it, and let's import a program. 16 blocks just to make it nice and simple. It's the progress bar that lets us know when the process is finished. Let's fetch the directory listing again, and as you can see, D64 dumper is now on the disk. For comparison reasons, let's now image this disk. Right, now that's done, save it, pops up here. Let's open it in D64 editor and let's have a look at the allocation. So nice and easy, BAM, first directory sector, and actually the only one, and the allocation looks like this. We can actually follow the allocation in the order it presents itself. Yeah, so starts here and then jumps over here, 3, and so on and so forth. The feature I've coded reads the BAM sector, and then from the BAM sector figures out which sectors are allocated and dumps just those sectors. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully we will get the same sort of mask that we see in here. Now this track dumping process uses an interleave 3, but if you were using an interleave of 10 it would probably follow the same pattern there. So let's save this one as BAM or something, and as you can see, it's the very same. Very same pattern here and here, so only the sectors that were allocated according to the BAM were dumped to this disk image. Now we can actually open this disk image. If I close this one, yeah. So it's 1, 2, 3, and you know, everything as it should be. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.